Hello children, a warm welcome to our English class and a very good morning to you all. Before going into the today's topic, let's have a quick recap of yesterday's topic. That is, we have learnt about possessive adjectives, right? Where we show the possessiveness means where we show the ownership towards our things. Adjectives means describing about the nouns. Here we are describing the noun to whom it belongs to, right? So my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their are our possessive adjectives, which shows the possessiveness. Like by using these words, they show that something belongs to someone. Here are your answers, children, for yesterday's worksheet. Kindly check your answers. In words in use, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 as the answers for the questions. Now let us learn today's topic. Do you know what are collective nouns, children? If you remember, we have already learned about this topic in our lesson number 1. Collective nouns describe a group of people, things or animals where we have a specific name for group of people or for group of things or animals. Right, children? For group of birds, we call them as a flock of birds. Like group of animals, herd of cattle, school of fish, pack of dogs, pride of lions, colony of bats, swarm of bees. So here we use these names flock, herd, school, pack, pride, colony, swarm, all these for group of animals. For group of things, it can be anything like flight of stairs, bunch of grapes, deck of cards, stack of papers, forest of trees. So we use these names for things. To denote group of people, class of students, crowd of people, army of soldiers. If you observe, for people, for animals and for others means for things, these are the common names which we use to denote for their group. For people we use different names like group, crowd, team, gang, board, jury, class. Whereas others means for things. To denote, to say about a group of things, we use such kind of words like bunch, pile, set, group, series, collection. For animals, herd, flock, swarm, pack, pride, nest, gaggle. So here, few names, we use it for multiple group of animals or things, whatever it is. Same word can be used for different groups. If you open your English reader, page number 73, you can see these collective nouns. Read these phrases. They talk about a collection of similar things. A pile of clothes. A group of ferns. Here, we need to match column A with column B, children. In column A, we have the group names. In column B, we have the names of animals, people and some things. Here, the first one is already done for us. Flock is been matched to birds. Flock of birds. Now, let us match from column B to column A. Because we have many names in column B and we have only 4 names in column A. So it is easy to match from column B to column A, children. Let us start with A. Bananas. So a group of bananas, we call them as what? Bunch, right? So you need to match bananas to bunch. Next, players. Players itself is the plural form. So in a game, we have players, right? So usually we have team who play the game. So for group of people who play game is called team. flowers. Bunch of flowers. Oxen. Oxen means we have two oxes as a team, right? So oxen is team of oxen. Cows. It's a cattle. So a herd of cows. Sheep. A herd of sheep. Deer. One second. Since it is so messy, I have cleared it up. Sheep. A flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. Deer. A herd of deer. Birds is already done. A flock of birds. So, it will be little messy if you match the columns, children. Here, what you do is, first one is already written here down, right? In the same way, you put number 2, number 3, number 4 here to the side and then write down in the same way. A bunch of bananas, a team of players. Like that, you keep on writing to the right side of the column. Next, speech practice. Silent R. Here if you observe, in some words or phrases, we spell R. In some words, the R remains silent, where we doesn't spell the letter R, right? So let us listen to the words and then identify where the letter R is going silent and where the letter R is being stressed. I'm going to play an audio track, children. Please listen carefully.
Silent R. In some words, we do not pronounce the letter R. We do pronounce the letter R in most other words. A. Listen and repeat. 1. Other. Other ways. 2. Clear. Clear blue sky. 3. Early. Woke up early. 4. Water. Buckets of water. 5. Better. Much better. 6. First. The first time. 7. Harm. Might harm them. 8. Herd. A herd of elephants. B. Listen and repeat. 1. Trunk. 2. Frightened. 3. Afraid. 4. Branches. 5. Forest.
Here in A bit, if you observe, the letter R is being silent, right children? Whereas in B bit, the letter R is being spelt, where it is stressed. Trunk, frightened, afraid, branches, forest. Please repeat and practice, children. Next, dictionary work. Similar words. Similar words means the word which has the same meaning. You need to do this with the help of the dictionary, children. That's the reason it is given the heading as dictionary work. Every one of us have a dictionary at our homes, right? So you need to practice looking at the dictionary. looking into the dictionary, verifying the meanings of the words. So here, in each bit, two are been given, A, B bits are been given. First one is done for us, and the second one, B bit, we need to write in the given blank. I'm going to tell you how you need to check in the dictionary. Study this table of similar verbs. Write the meaning of the second verb in each pair. Use the mini dictionary for help. So, whichever dictionary you have at your home, children, you can use it. First one, pull. B bit, drag. So here two verbs are being given. All these are verbs, children. You know what are verbs? All the action words are called as verbs, right? So, even though they have the same meaning, we use different words for the same meaning. The first one, A, pull. What is the meaning of the word pull? Use your hands to move or bring something towards you. So, pulling towards you. We know to express in our own words, but if I ask you the exact meaning of the word pull, we are unable to express it, right? So, we need to learn the meanings. In the same way, B bit, drag. You need to write the exact meaning of this word drag. Take out the dictionary, open the letter alphabet D. Since the word starts with the alphabet D, open the alphabet D, then search for the second letter. What is the second letter, children, here? R. So, search for the letters which start with D, R. Next, third letter is A. D, R, A. Turn the pages until you see the letter which starts with, the word which starts with D, R, A. Next, G. So, in this way, if you keep on checking, you will find the word drag and write down the meaning of the word drag in the given space. Second one, stare. B bit, glare. You know what is staring, right? Looking at something continuously or for a long time. Look at